Bonjour baddies, welcome back to our video. This is problem number 25 of the 2012 AMC8. A square with area 4 is inscribed in a square with area 5, with each vertex of the smaller square on a side of the larger square. Vertex of the smaller square divides the side of the larger square into two segments, one of length A and the other of length B. What is the value of AB? Well, obviously, since this is also A and this is B as well, and this is also B, we get these four silly little same triangles. And what am I going to do with four silly little same triangles? We can actually find out what they are. Because, well, A multiplied by B is not the area of the triangle, because the A multiplied by B divided by 2 is the area of the triangle. We can still utilize them to find out what A multiplied by B is. Also, by the way, that was a very large hint from me. So if the square in the inside is 4, and the one on the outside is 5, not to be mistaken with the area of the small triangle, we've got 5 minus 4, which is equivalent to 1. There are 4 of these silly little triangles, so each one is 1/4. Like I said, this is not equivalent to AB, this is equivalent to AB divided by 2. Therefore, we have to multiply by 2 to get back that divide by 2, which gets us 1/2. So A multiplied by B is equivalent to C 1/2. There's another solution I want to show you guys. And it's basically, so if the outside, so it has the same AB marking. If the inside square, it has told us it's a square, this means that this side is 2 and therefore this side is also 2. And similarly, the outside, since it told us its area is 5, it's the square root of 5, because square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 5 is equivalent to 5. And we can start writing an equation here, because like you know, this is equivalent to B. If we actually use Pythagorean theorem, which is kind of fancy, but it does work. This means that A squared plus B squared is equivalent to C squared. Not C squared in this case, actually. It's actually, 4 because it's 2 squared. And similarly, you know that since this is A and this is B, A plus B is equivalent to the square root of 5. So now that we have this funny little equation, we can start solving. However, this seems like we've gotten to a dead end, right? Because you can't really, it doesn't look like we can really go anywhere, right? We can. If we have A plus B is equivalent to the square root of 5, if we square A plus B, this has a formula to it as well, that's A squared plus 2AB plus B squared, and squaring both sides, we get 5. And as you guys can see, this and this look awfully similar, and it seems like there's only a little bit difference here. It's 2AB. And of course 4 and 5. So this means that if we use this equation to subtract this equation, we'll get something that looks like this. 2AB is equivalent to 5 minus 4, which is 1. AB is then equivalent to 1/2. And since this gets us the same solution as above, you guys can choose which one you guys like more. Maybe you like the solution 1 more, maybe you like solution 2 more. Whichever one works better for you on the test, really. It just comes down to that. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye!